Here we go. Let's go, Shinra. What we doing? Uh-oh. He getting fired up. It's getting intense. Starting to get hot in here. Whoop! Block. Punch. Joker just gonna be sitting there light smoking. Is he about to get to it as well? Or he gonna let Shinra and Burns bang it out? I like it. Looking like Chun-Li out there with these little spinning bird kick. Coming down. Dive kick. Ooh. He wrecked him. He knocked his jacket off. Or his jumper. Even soldiers have their pride. Woo! New soldiers have it too. Bam. Meanwhile, Captain Obi up there flexing.